Welcome. Let's talk about adjectives.
Adjectives. Adjectives are words that we use to describe people, places, things, and ideas. Let's look at some examples of adjectives.
That is a great idea.
The word great is an adjective. It describes what you think of an idea.
These words can be used to describe nouns. They are adjectives.
Big house. The word big describes the house, the size of the house. So big is the adjective. And this phrase, humongous hippo. Humongous describes the size of the hippo. Hippo is the noun. Pink house. Pink describes the color of the house. Pink house. Awesome scenery. So awesome is the adjective describing the beauty of the scenery. Scenery is the noun.
Let's look at more examples of descriptive adjectives. Huge ant. The word huge is an adjective, describing the noun, ant. Is there an adjective in this sentence? The clam danced, all night long. Clam is the noun in this sentence. Its action was described. But the clam was not described. The happy clam danced all night long. The word, happy, describes the clam. Happy, is the adjective in this sentence. The elephant ran around the jungle. The fast elephant ran around the huge jungle. The words, fast, and huge, are adjectives, describing the nouns, elephant, and jungle.
Is there an adjective in this statement?
No.
Can you identify the adjectives in this sentence?
Yes. The word happy describes the baby. The word toothless describes the smile. The adjectives are happy and toothless.
There are no adjectives in this sentence. Mary has a lamb. The adjective in this revised sentence is the word little, which describes the size of the lamb. The ocean is surrounded by rocks and trees. The blue ocean is surrounded by huge rocks and tall trees.
The word blue describes the color of the ocean. Blue, ocean. Huge describes the size of the rocks. Huge rocks. Tall describes the heights of the trees. Tall trees. They are adjectives, because they describe the nouns in the sentence. Some adjectives do not always come right before the noun. Predicate adjectives describe the subject of a sentence. Predicate adjectives occur after the linking verb in a sentence. Mary's lamb is little. Mary is the subject of the sentence. The linking verb is, and the predicate adjective is, little. Which word is the adjective in this sentence? The adjective is the word, blue. Blue describes the color of the ocean. The ocean is the subject of the sentence. Teacher looks pleased. The teacher is the subject of the sentence. The linking verb is, looks, and the predicate adjective is, pleased. In summary, attributive adjectives are words that occur right before a noun to describe the noun. Predicative adjectives are words that occur after a linking verb to describe the subject of a sentence. I am going home. I live in the house across from the school. I am going home. I live in the White House with the purple windows across from the school.
I will bake some delicious cookies before Luke gets back from school.
More examples. The house is on the hill. The purple house is on the steep hill. Purple describes the house and steep describes the hill. The boy sat on a bench. No adjectives here, but with adjectives it becomes the tall boy sat on the brown bench. Tall describes the boy and brown describes the bench. Lily is a student. What type of student is Lily? Let's find out using adjectives. Lily is a smart student. Smart, it's an adjective describing the student. He is a swimmer. What type of swimmer is he? Let's give more description. He is a fast swimmer. So fast is an adjective describing the swimmer. Mary had a lamb. What type of lamb did Mary have? A little lamb. Mary had a little lamb with white fleece. So little describes the lamb and white describes the color of the lamb's fleece. So we use adjectives to provide more information about nouns and pronouns. Another example, The boy walks to school every day. Let's add adjectives. The teenage boy walks to his nearby school every day. So the word teenage describes the boy, his age. So we have an idea of what the boy looks like. And we have an idea of the distance of the school, nearby school. And this one, the Jeffersons live in a house down the street, or the Jeffersons live in a magnificent house down this narrow street. See the use of adjectives to describe the house and the street. Adjectives also answer the question, how many? So it describes the number of nouns that are present in a sentence. Example, the 3 girls ran to school. So 3 is the adjective describing the number of girls that ran to the school. So 3 in this sentence is the adjective. How many girls? 3 girls. Adjectives also answer the question, which one? So this ball, that ball, the first house, the second one. So in this phrase, the first house, first is the adjective describing the house. The first house, first is the adjective, and house is the noun. The first person to the finish line wins the race. In this sentence, first is the adjective describing person. Person is the noun. Hope this lesson was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share. Come back for more lessons. Thank you.